goal of the Volunteer Services Department is to support the whole WakeMed health and hospital system with their volunteer needs. We have over 95 departments here at the hospital that want to have volunteers to come in on a weekly basis to help and support their patients and their departments. And so we help recruit and find volunteers for the hospital. There's so many benefits to becoming a volunteer. Volunteering is good for your health and your mental well-being. We find a lot of volunteers wanting to come to WakeMed for their own development, as well as just enjoyment of being around other people. Volunteers may come to get medical experience or experience in the medical field, and just the social interactions with other people, patients, and staff. The minimum age to volunteer is 16 years old to come into the hospital on a regular basis, but we have volunteers all ages. We have a really robust high school program, college program, and adults. So our oldest volunteer right now is 93 years old, and they all find a place here at WakeMed. Volunteers may be guest ambassadors, being that first person to welcome a patient or a family member to the hospital. We have volunteers in our emergency department, supporting the staff or rounding on our patients, making sure that they're comfortable if they need anything, settling them in. We have volunteers supporting our medical staff in surgical services. We also have volunteers do clerical things, working at desks, supporting our staff with clerical needs. If someone's interested in volunteering, I suggest going to our website, wakemed.org. And at the top of every page, you can click on volunteer to learn more about what our medical requirements are to come into the hospital on a regular basis. And also you can find what our current volunteer openings are, as well as a volunteer application. And you can apply to the site that you're interested in volunteering. We do have volunteers at all of our hospitals. There's different volunteer openings at each one of our hospitals based on each hospital's needs. We also have volunteer openings at some of our off-site locations. Some of our outpatient rehab clinics need volunteers, as well as our HealthPlex emergency departments also have volunteers.